You have probably heard a lot about GMO foods in the news recently. But what are they exactly? And are they safe to eat? Today we are going to dive into the science of genetically modified organisms and explore some of the debates surrounding their use in our food. Hello and namaskar. This is Agriculture Tomorrow and you are watching Food for Everyone with Shishir Ranjan. First of all, let's start with a definition of GMO. GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organisms. This refers to any plant, animal or microorganisms that has had its genetic material altered in some way using modern biotechnology. This could involve adding a new gene, deleting an existing one, or changing the way certain genes are expressed. The idea behind GMO is to create crops that are more resilient to pests, diseases, and environmental stress, which could help to improve food security and reduce the need for harmful pesticides and herbicides. But of course, there are also concerns about the safety of GMOs, both for human health and for the environment. Some scientists fear that consuming GMOs could have negative effect on our health, such as increased risk of allergies or cancer. Others worry that GMO crops could lead to the emergence of superweeds or pests that are resistant to our current methods of control. So what does the science tells us about GMOs? Well, the truth is that there is a lot of debate and disagreement among experts. Many studies have suggested that GMOs are safe to eat and pose no more risk on our health than conventional foods. For the past more than 2 decades, NGOs have only argued that long-term effects of GMO foods are unknown and have not yet been able to prove any adverse impacts in real terms, and that until we have a better understanding of their potential risks and benefits, we should exercise caution until we have a better understanding of their potential risks and benefits. But from a farmer's perspective, GMO seeds can be profitable. GMO seeds can help increase yields and reduce crop losses due to pests and diseases. This can be a real lifesaver for farmers who are struggling to make their ends meet. Of course, there are also many activists and consumers who are deeply skeptical of GMOs and believe that they should be banned outrightly. They argue that GMOs are a threat to our health, our environment, and our food security. They also point out that many countries, including much of Europe, have already placed a significant restrictions on the use of GMOs in the food system. So should our farmers be denied the immense potential of GMO seeds just because of their doubts, which they have not been able to prove even in the last 2 decades? Where does that leave us? Well, as a consumer, you have the right to know what's in your food and how it was produced. In many countries, including the United States, food products that contain GMOs are required to be labeled as such. There is no easy answers when it comes to the complex issues surrounding GMOs. But by staying informed and engaged in the debates, we can all work together to create a food system. This can help you to make informed decisions about the foods you buy and the companies you support. In the end, whether or not you choose to eat GMO food is a personal decision that depends on your values, your beliefs, and your priorities. So in the same way, Should we not allow those farmers who want to make positive steps for food security by planting GMO seeds and getting rid of their many concerns related to crop production be given the option of choosing GMO seeds? We leave it up to you to come forward and share your candid opinion. If you like our videos, then please like and subscribe it. We will be back soon with more videos on latest trends and techniques in farming. Until then, Namaskar.